Amazon Web Services at Ericsson Company. Introduction. Amazon Web Services, AWS, stands for a number of remote computing services that make up a cloud computing platform. The services operate from 12 geographical regions across the world. Ericsson, a multinational telecommunications and technology company, has recently implemented AWS to improve their infrastructure and services. This Amazon Web Services case study focuses on the way they were utilized by Ericsson. It gives an example of how a communication company can benefit by using AWS. AWS at Ericsson Company. Cloud computing services are steadily becoming more accepted as many companies and customers continue to have more information regarding its convenience. AWS has a self-service setting available all the time, hence it becomes important to some of the most powerful communication corporations like Ericsson. It is relatively cheap and does not need long-term payment to gain full access. Since Amazon currently has a reliable infrastructure, they can offer Amazon Web Services without the excessive expenditures always incurred by other non-reputable companies competing in the market. Considering that Amazon has a reliable international infrastructure, AWS becomes the only inexpensive alternative for Ericsson Company. Also, the company's process of updating its systems has been made easier internationally by AWS automatic updates. Since Amazon has outstanding data transportation channels, Ericsson Company can easily become accustomed to various changes that occur in the market. The company can easily jerk servers, applications, and bandwidth supplies. Consequently, Ericsson does not have to wait for the arrival of software updates, which normally take longer periods. Amazon Web Services Review. Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, EC2, presents a viable environment for the use of various applications since it has ports that can be used to restart Amazon Machine Image. Moreover, Amazon Machine Image has several essential applications that can be required by Ericsson. Amazon Simple Storage Services, Amazon S3, operates through online storage connected to a web interface. Both are used to provide modified answers to the problems faced by SMBs and larger companies. RightScale is a special type of cloud that provides companies with viable solutions to solving visualized data center problems. Visualization has several advantages. It provides an integrated operating environment, hence users can observe, monitor, and carry out an assessment of their cloud infrastructure. Visualization is not only capable of using obtainable scripts but also provides libraries. It can also incorporate applications that reduce workload by connecting several private data centers. Incorporated applications are also capable of providing a scalable IT infrastructure. AWS security issues. Considering that cloud computing is still fresh in the market, it has several security issues to be dealt with. The first security concern is securing data transfer. To cope with this concern, Ericsson should always make sure that their data moves on a safe channel. For instance, information should be converted into codes and validated using the company's standard procedures established precisely for the security of Internet traffic. Securing software interfaces is also another security concern. To manage this concern, Ericsson should be sensitive to the software interfaces applied in every cloud service. The company will be exposed to many security issues when using weak interfaces. Securing stored data as a security concern can be managed by appropriately converting all the data to codes. AWS cloud computing issues. Scalability is described as the capability of companies providing cloud computing services to connect applications, media, and procedures to many consumers. A cloud's scalability is important because of its outstanding performance. Amazon's system consists of several load balancers to improve reliability. Issues like software modeling, data caching, and inappropriate use of databases can increase an organization's costs. Therefore, the problem of software model can be solved by using organized server structures, while the problems of data caching and inappropriate use of databases can be solved by utilizing asynchronous calls.